If you buy a 2025 Tundra, you're making a $60,000 mistake. Toyota just leaked the 2026 updates, and it's a complete game changer. We're talking a heavy-duty monster with 1,000 pound-feet of torque, revolutionary new seats that eliminate back pain, and they're finally fixing their biggest reliability nightmare. Oh, and that's just the beginning. These 6 updates could save you thousands and give you capabilities no current truck offers. Here's why. Number 6. Heavy-duty Tundra development gains momentum. The rumors surrounding a Tundra HD variant have evolved from speculation to serious industry discussion. Sources now point to a potential late 2025 debut as a 2026 model, with a world premiere likely at the 2025 North American International Auto Show in Detroit. This represents Toyota's most significant expansion into the heavy-duty truck segment, directly challenging the Ford Super Duty, Chevrolet Silverado HD, and Ram HD lineup. The business case remains compelling. Heavy-duty trucks command premium pricing, with buyers willing to pay substantially more for enhanced capability. Leaked specifications suggest the Tundra HD could deliver over 1,000 pound-feet of torque, positioning it competitively against established players. Toyota's current TNGA-F platform provides the necessary foundation for such expansion, with reinforced suspension components, upgraded axles, and significantly higher towing ratings expected. A dual rear wheel configuration would likely be standard for maximum trailer stability. The powertrain remains the biggest question mark. While a high-output version of the current twin-turbo V6 seems probable, Toyota may introduce an entirely new engine specifically designed for heavy-duty applications. This move would finally bring Toyota's legendary reliability reputation into a segment where durability and raw performance are paramount considerations. Number 5. Refined styling keeps the third generation fresh. Toyota has taken a measured approach to updating the Tundra's exterior design for 2026. Rather than dramatic changes that might alienate current owners, the company has focused on evolutionary refinements that maintain the aggressive character established in 2022 while incorporating newer design elements seen across Toyota's lineup. The front fascia receives the most noticeable updates, with a refined grille design that appears bolder and more integrated. Headlight modifications follow the slimmer profile seen in recent Toyota models like the Prius and Camry, creating better visual cohesion across the brand. These changes preserve the overall proportions that have worked well while adding contemporary touches that keep the Tundra visually competitive. The strategy reflects Toyota's understanding that truck buyers often keep their vehicles for extended periods. Dramatic styling changes could make current owners feel their trucks look outdated prematurely. Instead, these subtle but well-executed modifications ensure the Tundra remains relevant without alienating its established customer base. New wheel designs and enhanced lighting integration round out the exterior updates. Number 4. Wavemaker Blue brings bold color to TRD Pro. Toyota has officially confirmed Wavemaker as the exclusive 2026 TRD Pro color, marking a significant departure from recent years of earth-toned options. This vibrant robin's egg blue first appeared on the TRD Surf concept at the 2024 SEMA show and represents Toyota's willingness to embrace more adventurous color choices. Wavemaker isn't simply another blue option. The carefully balanced hue creates striking contrast against the TRD Pro's signature black trim elements, particularly effective on the Tundra's substantial proportions. The color choice aligns with Toyota's description of being inspired by unexplored areas of adventure, appealing to buyers who want their vehicles to stand out from the typical truck color palette. The TRD Pro package remains Toyota's most capable factory off-road offering, featuring Fox internal bypass shocks, all-terrain tires, comprehensive skid plates, and specialized suspension tuning optimized for high-speed desert terrain. Additional features include rock rails, locking rear differential, and multi-terrain select with various drive modes. Interior appointments include sport seats with embroidered logos and unique instrumentation. Like previous TRD Pro signature colors, Wavemaker comes at no additional cost, providing exclusive visual appeal without price premium. Number 3. Advanced seating technology arrives. The 2026 Tundra introduces isodynamic shock absorber seats, borrowed from the Tacoma TRD Pro, representing one of the most significant comfort upgrades in the truck's recent history. These advanced seats utilize air ride technology to provide superior comfort during extended off-road driving, addressing a common complaint among serious adventure enthusiasts. The ISO dynamic system actively adjusts to terrain conditions, reducing driver fatigue during long expeditions. This technology has proven successful in the Tacoma TRD Pro, where it has received praise for maintaining comfort during aggressive off-road driving. The addition to the Tundra lineup demonstrates Toyota's commitment to bringing premium features across its truck portfolio. Beyond the advanced seating, Toyota has added power running boards to Platinum and 1794 models equipped with the TRD off-road package, while the SX package now includes 20-inch wheels instead of the previous 18-inch options. These updates reflect customer feedback requesting enhanced convenience and visual appeal across multiple trim levels. Number 2. Reliability focus addresses past concerns. Toyota's reputation took a significant hit with the early third-generation Tundra engine issues, where approximately 100,000 trucks were recalled due to machining debris left in the twin-turbo 3.4-liter V6 during production. For a brand historically known for engines that routinely exceed 300,000 miles, this represented a major setback in consumer confidence and brand perception. The 2026 model year represents Toyota's concerted effort to restore its bulletproof reliability reputation. While exterior styling and new features generate headlines, the engineering team has focused extensively on refining powertrains and manufacturing processes. Quality control improvements in recent production runs have already shown positive results, with fewer reported issues in current model year trucks. This renewed reliability focus also explains Toyota's cautious approach to introducing new technologies like potential plug-in hybrid systems. After the engine issues, the company cannot afford another significant misstep in the competitive full-size truck market. The 2026 Tundra is expected to represent the most thoroughly tested and refined version of the current generation, combining modern features with the trusted durability that built Toyota's truck reputation. Number 1. Standardized features address customer complaints. Toyota has eliminated the confusing dual fuel tank options, standardizing all 2026 Tundra models with a 32.2-gallon fuel tank. This addresses a long-standing customer complaint about the smaller 22-gallon option that limited range, particularly important for buyers who use their trucks for extended work or recreational activities. Additionally, all trim levels now include a standard tow hitch and 7 4-pin connector, including the base SR grade. This represents a significant value addition, as these components were previously optional equipment that added cost and complexity to the ordering process. The standardization recognizes that towing capability remains a primary reason buyers choose full-size trucks. These changes reflect Toyota's systematic approach to addressing customer feedback. Rather than dramatic redesigns, the company has focused on eliminating pain points and adding practical value across the lineup. The larger fuel tank provides extended range between fill-ups, while standard towing equipment ensures all buyers have access to the truck's full capability without additional expense. The 2026 Tundra maintains its maximum 12,000-pound towing capacity when properly equipped, ensuring that capability improvements complement rather than replace existing strengths. These updates position the Tundra as a more complete package straight from the factory, reducing the need for aftermarket additions and providing better value proposition against competitors. The 2026 Toyota Tundra represents a thoughtful evolution rather than a revolutionary change. By addressing specific customer concerns while adding meaningful premium features, Toyota demonstrates its commitment to continuous improvement and customer satisfaction in the competitive full-size truck segment. If you found this breakdown of the 2026 Tundra updates helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth truck coverage and automotive insights.